am make it go.
You won't bring your body.
This will not be body matter.
Don't do fast, make a chop.
Today I will show you say that make the Sakpanyanya.
Master, box the thing again. Why I can't the TV the box again?
Okay. I don't know say you cut am.
Bring. You played far before.
I never played far before. Everybody knows me. Who I am. You go hold your hand right now.
See, you know even.
They go.
Now you they go. Can't talk say see. If I want to go chop this thing or okay.
You go free chop.
Make I give you here.
Make I give you this one. You no get down.
Make I put this one.
You no get.
Don't go to line. I put enough. Maybe I put the 10 cities. You put 5 cities.
I put 5
so that be
cities.
another put again.
Inside you.
Every day they talk too much.
If me go show you,
they talk too much.
Now no be Sakpanyanya.
I play two. Play another one.
I no be Sakpanyanya.
Correct.
You no get answer.
You see? Down card.
I chop you.
I
chop you.
You chop me.
I chop you for understand. No. No, wait. I chop you. I chop you. You bring this one.
You see how they laugh? I say I chop you. You say you chop me.
No, you not chop me. Be me chop you.
I chop you. Me and you began no do like this. Make confusion come on.
Which kind of confusion? If you go set another one, and stop how you shout.
No do like this. Make confusion come on.
Which kind of confusion?
I don't like the cheat they do.
Hey.
You understand?
You this small boy, see you my boy, you come out knife for me. You come out knife. You forget me. Say me, I know the joke. Charlie, don't let me vex for you.
Let's see the hold.
I say don't let me vex for you.
If me go buy am for you.
You get money.
Send, I go buy am for you.
You will get money. Don't try me.
We'll see what you happen.
Don't try me. If you try me, the next time you see this your kolo head, I will broke am off. I need the Sakpanyanya. You yourself, you know me already. Nobody say today I will show you my name. I mean, you don't know me. You don't know me. Next time if you try, you see what will happen. Fuck you.
Also, I won't go out. I won't go check some money because nothing day me. I just did it.
I used to also. Charlie, we all know the child school they ball, but Charlie, what do they go to for house, you know?
Charlie, I don't get money. I go take job. Charlie, buy you fan. I go house then go find money.
For no say I see the left like the Charlie, I go miss. I don't get any party for campus stuff.
That's why they tell you say before take my steps. If I always tell you say Charlie, they tell you before you not get like just break your opportunity.
This conversation again, brother. Can't we talk about anything else?
I also make you know they talk me say you go feel lonely. Your loneliness no dey pension.
Charlie, but Charlie, you the team be say Charlie to know. You understand?
Make I
Charlie, for people say something, you understand? For people say something where like I go find some very good feature.
So make I know.
You know before no go.
I guess I'm we drop for
Charlie, listen. Forget girl man.
Tell you, you went to make a land there. Yes, I know she drop from the quick. Understand? I go knock her. So I will come this back. So you know something for drop my bag.
But you say forget say Charlie parties they can even they love the party or then stuff. So Charlie, why?
But I don't say parties day, but
am I seeing well? So it is you. This is you. What the hell is wrong with you? Why is your phone off? Do you have a problem with your phone? What the hell is wrong with you? Do you know what it means for someone to think about you? You don't even answer my calls. Don't you have credit? Can't you call back? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Enough.
Hey, don't talk. What is wrong with you?
Come on, listen. See.
Oh,
Listen
I
to me,
see.
okay?
I now
have-
understand. I understand. So that's how you behave, right?
Enough!
That's how you behave.
Hold it there. Come on,
Don't
let's
shut me down. Don't
Are you serious? Are you
ever
serious?
shut me down. Don't.
Okay, listen. I have
Now,
told you
for
I'm
your
not.
information, you are not the only Mickey on this earth.
I'm happy to end
So
this.
nah,
way.
it be me you the fan fool.
What do you mean?
Ah no, so you go sneak out, then you go knock them.
Charlie.
Then they can't tell me, they can't like pretend like you be angel begin here.
Harry. I know what.
I sure say they knocking you now can jump out.
I said I don't knock the girl. What's your fucking problem, bro?
So you know knock and why she go can't stand here, they shout on you, my brother.
Again? Why they feel how they call you waiting with that? You know where they call? Where they go? Feel free and sit down. I'm not going to do anything. Today I dey do goodness. Today be Thursday. They born me that today is my birthday, so I know they do bad on Thursday. You get me? Oh, sit well. Don't shake yourself. The Sakpanyanya they talk to you. Don't shake. This campus na my own. You dey hear me? This campus, because of me, wey dey do this campus. If you no be because of me, this campus no go come Ghana. So if I dey talk to you, relax. Don't shake your body. I know say you be waiting for this campus. You know that. So I don't want you to talk to you if you feel you best say something say me. I call you. If you are here say you tell somebody say Sakpanyanya talk to you there. I know one man my woman go dress say me and some get make some free for this campus. You dey hear me? I dey feel you wetin you dey talk. I say I dey feel you wetin you dey talk. Now they say you accept. So this night where you go? You no go anywhere. Okay. If you dey love 6:30, I wan see you. So right now where you go? Yeah? You can go here. This nyash, if I get you go cry.
These are winning. I'm winning. What? Oh, game over. Why did you touch my phone?
Hey.
You see that?
Why you guys playing that yeah?
Oh, this one. What's it?
Manju.
This one is Hey, babe. I remembered something. Do you know this guy? Sakpa or whatever they call him.
Is this Sakpanyanya?
I hate that guy.
I did not
Oh
that
my-
name, eh?
No, like, are you okay?
I'm okay.
I hope you're not coming from my villages like
Baby
bad
girl,
dog
stop
vibes.
it.
Yeah, because I always feel like
Relax.
vomiting.
Relax.
Like that
Why you
name.
people are there here? Then people they talk about Sakpanyanya or
Oh,
whatever
shun
the
that
name.
thing. This one the
Sakpanyanya or
girls
Sakpanyanya.
talk.
What's the meaning of this?
Forget
But
yourself.
that guy, why you don't know him?
Why I'm not there? You know if you talk about me.
Yeah,
Hey,
sure
they
say you be
talk
racist.
Sakpanyanya be good, Sakpanyanya be why?
Oh, I think that
No, you make a vex self.
Why? I
If
think
you
now
do,
you there,
I just
we
go
dey
left.
see you. So why we for talk about you? Okay, hi, what's
Yeah,
up?
talk about me.
Hey,
Come
what's
on,
up?
why
You
be
look
your problem?
good.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
No money. The other time I heard that he was about raping a certain girl. Who? That your Sakpa thing that I
Stop it,
don't
stop
even
it, my
know
friend.
where.
Yeah, every time they hear something.
It is true. Look at the person's
You for
character.
10 piece FM, them are this thing, them are main
Oh, look,
producer.
they fear ran from school. You know, they fear anybody. Like that guy, what they do, eh? Me,
Every
I
time
don't
they
want
hear
to talk
something.
Plasamo. If I hear his name, no, then my body they do me something.
Baby girl, leave that
Hey.
guy. Hey,
But you
he's
relax,
my
relax.
She's
So,
your what?
why you two are so interested in him being a good boy? He
I
tell you say he's a
shut
good boy.
up.
Does it concern you?
Hey,
No, she's in
Does
love.
it concern you?
I see that.
She's in love.
Girl,
No, like if you want to marry
We
me,
dey watch you.
just tell me because me I dey ready. I go be vice.
He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a young
Dr. Duncan, Sammy Forsen, because I had a rap recipe with morning.
Hey.
Sammy Flex,
Hey.
TV.
Hey.
TV are very crazy. Margaret Hart, teacher.
Hey, hey.
One page, man, what's up?
Wetin dey go on?
Now me had
I can't sit here dey rap.
that's my talent now.
So
I had a head.
shut up, me I dey talk, you dey talk. You know me.
I don't know you.
IGP sef, you know my rank.
And by that,
Hey! Stop stinging.
why they
Now make the Sakpanyanya, I say stop stinging.
Sakpanyanya, hold on.
Hey! Me if I talk, nobody dey talk.
Mark home your feet.
Hey! I say stop stinging.
Why I for stop? You in the school, me I dey believe in talent.
You want sing?
Yeah, I'm the best rapper. Now, why?
No, you want sing. You want sing.
I don't go sing. I don't go sing.
You want sing.
I beg, I don't go sing. Come on, I beg.
You crazy. Sakpanyanya dey talk, you two dey talk. Who born you by mistake?
People get power. They be a me vampire. Yeah, me person me yet say podo. Say me minyo nyame na makwana te wopodo. As I'm passing koto me one boyfriend me bakodo. Jenny tomato so pa di pan boko. Soon so many pay, but I want na me ye no. Did give na mo ye no mo kra boy am say. Okay, gentleman that the baba ya kapela. One of the good man that I think is a good one. What I know you see I am going to do that. I'm sure they don't know that. Oba.
I'm dead. What is it? Michelle me woo. What is it?
I'm still talking about I'm still thinking and wondering
I told
about
you that it
how
will be okay. It will be okay.
how can it be okay?
To be okay.
I mean, you don't know what that video contains. That is why you keep saying it's okay.
It will be okay.
I mean, that person is going to suffer.
Don't talk like that.
The person is going
Don't
straight
talk
to
like
hell.
that. We give everything to
God will punish that
Don't
person.
talk like that.
Don't
Don't talk like that.
And if I grab that person, well, I will so deal with the person that
Don't
the
talk.
person will not.
We give everything to
No,
God.
please, don't tell me to.
We give everything to God.
Are you in any way?
Why would you suspect me? Why would I do that? to
Then
you?
please allow me.
But we give everything to God.
No, please. How can someone just do this to me? What if that video comes out? What do I do?
Did the person know you have the video in it? Maybe they were just snatching your bag for money or something.
Then it
Let's leave it to God. They wouldn't do anything with the video. Let's leave it to God, okay?
it looks like I have to leave
Let's
the
leave
school
everything
because
to God.
everybody will see.
Leave the school. Who will be with me?
How can this happen to me?
Who will be with me?
I mean, when I get that person,
I said we should leave everything to God. Leave everything to God.
My friend, don't tell me to leave everything to God.
You'll find it. Okay? You'll find it.
Hey! Come here. Hey! I said come here.
Hey man, what's your problem?
Give me the biscuit.
I should give you a biscuit. This is for you.
Give me the
I won't give you my biscuit. I bought it for this campus.
give me the biscuit.
I won't give you. Hey,
Why they go? Can't stand there.
hey, this campus.
But-
Hey,
no,
let me ask
no,
you. This
no.
campus. Here belongs to your father.
I don't know, say. So if your mommy they pay your school fees, your papa they pay your school
Now you yourself, you know your mommy they pay your school fee. That's why you come here. You just say this campus. You come back. You come back here.
Challenge me. Cool down. Challenge.
What? Yeah.
What be your matter?
This campus. You won't make like this campus belong to him. But we all come to school here. What?
Come. Sit down.
As you see what?
I said come say something. Why they wrong?
Why? You hear campus? If somebody says you can't, social
Come,
distance.
you not be bad man then come.
Yeah, what do you they talk?
You give me the biscuit.
They
Can you give me make I come?
I should give you the biscuit.
I go give you. I want
Okay.
to show him something.
You want to show me
I want to
something?
show him something.
Okay.
See,
Yeah.
if you know one problem,
Yeah.
just come up for here. You understand?
You I want to walk. I will go.
Okay. Charlie, if you bad man, say see one do bad man, but do bad if you don't want do bad man. Charlie,
This guy go
you
show
maybe
am.
say you no chop anything since morning.
Yes,
So
I
come
go
for
show
me
am.
there,
I go
be
show
okay.
am.
I
I
be
go
okay.
show am. One day man top. I go show
I be
am.
okay.
Not they rush am.
See, if you dey rush am, if you dey talk too much for this campus, say you dey hear your name, Sakpanyanya everywhere. If you dey do gidi too much, them no go respect you again.
I wan set record for this campus.
You for do bad man thing, sharp way.
I wan set record for this campus.
Okay, me, I don't talk my own.
That's why they do that thing.
I don't talk my own.
Carry, you know, I wan go check something, so I go leave you. You understand me?
Oh, so you dey go?
Make no boy.
I see you.
I go see
So
you.
I collect the biscuit key. So you dey go chop am alone?
Sakpanyanya.
What's up?
The video now, what's up?
Relax. The video, me, where you know, say me, Sakpanyanya, me, I know the joke is my business.
You don't waste time. Oh.
I say relax. I put everything for pen drive. The two say we are doing.
You don't waste time.
Oh, I say relax.
If I make them quick,
I do everything finish already.
that long time.
I dey buy you something, you know they listen to me.
We need good pricing too. For price and what? You know that.
You dey fear? Na me be Sakpanyanya.
I know say you Sakpanyanya,
yes.
but sometimes you dey do
yes.
things so bad.
Anything I go talk, be final. Anything I go talk.
You know be anything, but you for hurry up. You for make quick. So you dey waste time.
Me, I don't like person where they talk into they talk. I go first go wake up, they go.
I said don't waste time. That be why I talk.
You can't waste time. I say I do everything finish already. Why you dey talk like that?
I hear.
So for tap cool,
I hear.
everything go succeed. So make it tap cool. I know something. This evening I no make this thing, so you know I won't go make some banana to
Sakpanyanya.
you go make
I hear. Every day like that now.
I know say you get the video, so I didn't hear the video. I fit pay any amount where you want to. So carry the video, give me. I will pay you.
I'm very sorry, and I am. I don't have any video. I mean it.
Are you sure?
I am certain. I don't have it. I mean, I don't know what video you've been talking about all this while.
I'm telling you that any amount where you want, I will pay you.
Onuya,
so stop the play games, then talk me something better.
Onuya wouldn't be. I said I don't have it. And that is the gospel fact.
Okay, fine. But if I hear say you get a video, what I will do give you? You not gonna like him. I talk finish.
Are you threatening me?
No. I dey talk to you.
See who they threaten me. Oh my ass.
I didn't even serious at all. Every time you could bring me things. When this one to come? What is the rate of this government is just research. Every time we producing new things.
Hi, babes. What's up?
Hey, baby.
What are you doing?
On the day. I've missed you, Papa. How are you doing?
I did well.
I was just sitting down for a while.
What did you do?
I was just reading some woman was just passing by and gave it to me that.
Nice pics. You want to get knowledge, eh?
Yeah.
I see that.
How are you doing?
I did well, Luba. That's good.
I've been calling you, sorry, you're not picking the phone. I just decided to. Right,
Is this now the system had way things to change? So
oh, yeah.
I won't make people happy. Why you know the bab? I won't make people happy.
Break.
If you watch me, see how I'm.
But you know that because of you, I've been working like 52 hours a day. Even the day is 24, but I'm working 52. Eh?
And that's not enough.
Just to take care of you.
That's not
and
enough.
And you're telling me it's not enough. Do you want me to kill myself for you?
I think
Do you want me to die before you see I'm doing my best?
You know.
You don't want me to die?
No. Everybody want enter place with money. They don't get anything. So you know what?
All this money I they give
make
you.
Make you manage and
I they give you 200
a
cedi a week.
I go see you. Make no worry.
Oh no, don't do this, man. Juliet, don't do this. I'm begging you, Juliet. Juliet, I go fit die. Juliet, my heart. Juliet. Hey, killers.
Where they go?
How far? What people they do for you?
Chalomo, you don't get Gary for them.
You don't get guy. Are you two by this time? You want to guy? The be with hard labor. This guy, they tell you always. He get hard labor for his job. The be with guy. They rush go town. I go pick some moves. Maybe by the time they can say, I don't.
They ask you say you don't get Gary.
Oh, that's fine. This guy be joined.
Junkie boys. I don't get guy for them.
Tell who you from?
My own. I'll carry you.
Since when you get this thing?
Try to check for peace. Send me some coins, sir. What the thing give me? Child, I will step your head up. Child, give me my phone. I dey hunger. They say Gary chop.
Today you want chop Gary. Send me to them every day fried rice. Today you say you broke. You see how you did? Hala week. See how I'll catch you.
The man will send something. Just maybe that boy will send it.
But Stone is down. Stone I sure see get Gary. You say no.
Big girl. I be that woman with it. Check like being supply and they give him Gary. They give him money.
Too, but I if I get woman like that, you go join me. Woman will go give you tip you 24/7. They try to give you.
They go better.
I get class.
That afternoon, so Charlie.
I am a serious student. Me a day here.
Charlie,
Charlie, in case you get something, I go make I know. Because me myself I don't.
If you get something, yeah, they go where I will get something. Charlie, why? Check your head like that.
As I go back.
Charlie, I know they see the thing for the front of you.
What thing you know they see for the
The work we are the stage give you now. I don't understand this thing. No.
Why you don't understand?
Charlie, close some.
Oh,
I don't know what
why
you
you
dey
don't disturb me?
Close some. Make we talk better thing. Charlie, you know hear any hit news beer for campus?
No.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm sure.
Charlie, I dey watch you.
Hey, your ear they sweet you.
I'm here. My ear for sweet me now. Charlie.
Change.
Oh, master.
You have to change.
Some boy be born me yesterday. They talk me say you dey hit for the school. You dey be mafia.
Hit for this what school?
Sir, you dey born me, sir. Charlie, the thing you dey solve, carry give somebody make it help you.
Hey, I can do it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Where you dey bread for you? And the sister you dey bread out there.
I know the bread. I know the bread.
Help you search.
If you can't disturb me.
Hey, sir.
Yes.
Hey, Chakon. We don't know books, so I can't disturb you. No wonder.
So, why?
You said they disturb now. Keep going. They ask me, so why? What's your problem?
I said you should learn. I'm learning. You can't disturb me. Why?
So I'll stop now. Carry on. Carry on. No, I can watch my movie. Sir.
Watch your movie. I'm learning. Don't disturb me.